Here behind me, folks, we have this new McConnel Magnum Elite 225 verge mower. This has recently just landed into the yard. It's brand new and available through ourselves. I'm going to run through some of the quick features and specs of this machine, so stay tuned. I suppose the first thing you'll notice is it has a large 2.25 metre working width, and that is a rotor with whale flails attached or bolted on to that rotor. It's finished with a roller system on the back to leave a good finish, and the roller also has a bit of a blade on it there that stops debris forming or gathering around the rotor if you had damp material and stuff. And you'll see as well you have a rubber protection there to stop debris flying out behind you as much as possible. You also have some protection on the front and these steel flaps as well, for the same reason the other side. In terms of the boom here, or the chassis of the machine, you have a Z style system here, and I'll show you that better when I'm up in the tractor and moving it in and out. But essentially you can pull that machine closer to you or farther away from you as you needs be. It's fitted with a breakaway system here to avoid damage to the machine. If you happened to be unlucky enough to hit into something, that system is in place there so you don't absolutely destroy the machine, which is a good system. I'll hop up here and I'll just move and show the angles that this machine can get to for your verge cutting. So I'll hop up here now. So this is your range of motion in terms of side, your
the customer that was looking.
I suppose you'd have a range of different customers looking for a machine like this. It's a very suitable machine for the likes of side embankments, the likes of contractors there, maintenance crews. Look, it's basically anything alongside the tractor that I suppose that isn't a hedge cutter job, but isn't a topper job, if you get me. It is a type of machine you could even use if you had low ditches or low hedges. There is people that will use that to face the side off with, you know, and it's 100% for doing that as well. But really a machine to get into awkward spots, sides of roads, sides of pathways, stuff like that.
What do you use it for the likes of that there?
I'd probably say not so much the laurel hedges at home now. You could make a real good job of them. They mightn't come back at all. You've probably just seen in the video there the range of motion the machine has, and I suppose the different points on where that's accessed off. So obviously you have a twist function here that allows your arm to come up and down. It obviously, with that Z system of a boom, I suppose it pulls in and out and also out to the side. So there really is lots of different ways to manoeuvre this machine to leave it in the position that you need. But in terms of the build quality, McConnell, as you know, is just top class stuff. It's built to last, it's built to work, and this yoke's no different. Probably the one thing I would say is the horsepower requirement is 80 horsepower. That's on 140 horsepower there, and you can probably see it's a heavy enough machine. It's out to one side, so definitely from a weight perspective, you'd want a decent tractor holding it, especially when it's fully extended out. But other than that, it's a super machine now for any sort of work. That's available to see here in our sales yard at the Cavan depot, and as I say, come in and have a look at it or view it online, and you'll see all the spec and information required.